Hi there, today we are going to discuss how to make an attractive poster. Generally in higher classes, this question is asked for 4 or 5 marks, therefore it becomes very important to make a good poster to fetch those marks. What is a poster? A poster is a very useful means of making an announcement or appeal, issuing a notice, advertising a product, or bringing about awareness on any issue of public interest. A good poster should be visually attractive and readable from a distance. This way you can attract large number of audience to your cause. They are extensively used by NGOs, political parties, government departments, etc. to attract audience. Tips on how you can attempt a question on poster making in your exams. It is a very brief communication with a compelling visual and a powerful message. Hence, a poster should always be prepared with a particular target audience in your mind. It very clearly mentions the theme or the topic, the schedule of an event, and the respective occasion. Now, where can we use a poster? To make an appeal for awareness or support, or when we require a help, action, or issue a warning or a caution to the public. It can also be used in the form of an invitation like posters for carnivals, feasts, concerts, exhibitions, etc. When we are going to hold workshops or seminars, we can also make attractive posters. Now let's have a look at the format of a good poster. The first thing that comes in a poster is the name of the issuing authority, by whom or by which organization the poster is being published. Then comes the tagline of the event. It has to be in accordance with the question. A catchy tagline for the occasion should be there. It should be clearly visible. Thus, it can be in bold, underlined, or in capitals as per the need. Next is the title or name of the event, whether it is an exhibition, workshop, or etc. Title of the event should be short and as per the question. Special attractions like this is optional. Who is the guest speaker, who is the chief guest, etc. Then it is the illustration with a caption. It involves pictorial representation, which means you have to draw something. For example, a drop of water for Save Water campaign. Then you have to mention when and where, what is the entry fees and other relevant information. This is very important because by this way the audience knows where to go, when to go, and what other formalities will be required to be fulfilled. The last thing that is required is the contact information of the person issuing the poster. This is in case of any queries, the targeted audience should have someone to contact to. Things to remember when you are making a poster. It should always be in a box. Make sure you double check for grammatical accuracy and spellings. There should be absolutely no mistake in that because they carry marks. And when you know that they are carrying 4 to 5 marks, which are very important, you must also practice previous year question papers so that you get a hold over your poster making. Now, what are some of the do's when you are making a poster? First thing is that you make sure that it fits within one page. Do not carry it over to the next page. Use sharpened pencils. Bold or underline any important information in your poster. Now, some of the don'ts. Do not use short forms or slangs. They are not acceptable when you are writing your answer. Do not exceed the prescribed limit. Generally, the word limit is 40 to 50 words. Now, you can attempt this one question. Prepare a poster highlighting the dangers of pollution. You can have a look at these two posters and see how you can make your poster attractive.